So this is the raw data of the combinatory list. Now what I did was highlighted the column H, and I click on conditional formatting. You guys can play with the it, it doesn't matter which one you click on. It's just gonna go through, for example, and show you the most amount of miles, then the colors change the least amount, and in between. Now I included a line chart here, which I'm just showing you what you can add with it. I added miles and the age. As you can see, 18 is the highest at, what is that? A little more than 90 something thousand miles, which is probably gonna be this guy right here. Um, so I also created a pivot table, which is right here. Now the reason I showed create two graphs is basically what I wanted to show you is you can paste it, you can do it on Word. So just a blank document. Now you go back to the graph and you basically click on copy and you click on paste here. Where is it? Right here. Paste. Now, the reason I wanted to show this to you guys is just to show you that both of these programs are integrated together. Um, the pivot table and the information was irrelevant. I was just trying to show you how these two programs are linked together. So thank you again. This is part 2, and thank you again for watching. And stay tuned for more.